Wagwan people, welcome back to another episode of the Rapping Chef. And today's episode is a very easy one. What we'll be preparing today, pepper steak. A lot of people like that. Different country has it. Different. You cook it so many different ways. So today I'm just gonna show you my easy way of cooking pepper steak in 5 minutes. So let's get started. Right after the intro. Alright, so welcome back. So like I always say, every good dish start off with preparation, so we definitely got to prepare. So let's start off with the ingredients. I displayed all the ingredients here. You're gonna need pepper, ginger, thyme, scallion. Onion is optional if you want to use it. Choice of steak that we're using today is going to be sirloin. The reason why I chose the sirloin, it's not a lean meat such as the tenderloin. I cut those in thick slices, and from the thick slices I do a julienne. Another food for thought: when you're cutting steak, I usually cut it across the grain. The arrow that I put on the screen shows you that the grain is going that way, and I cut across. I tend to keep the shape of the pepper. This shape is called a julienne. I'll put the definition of what a julienne is. Pepper on the whole, I like to put my fire on high. I want to get that nice color out of the pepper. I want to give it a nice char looking, but not overly charred. Based on the high heat, I'd do it for a good 15 seconds. Once the beef is sauteed nicely, I normally saute that maybe for a minute and a half the most. After the sauteed beef, I add all the rest of the ingredients: the ginger, the garlic, the thyme, all the other stuff, and we saute that and get a nice party going on in the pot. You know what I mean? Hey, ginger over there. Hey, garlic over there. That's how we do. We have fun with food. And here's a little trick now. Like, most people use browning, but I use soy sauce. So I use a little bit of soy sauce. Because soy sauce is salty, I use a little bit of sugar in there just to balance the salt. And then you can add, if you have cornstarch, you can add a little bit to it. Whisk it thoroughly. Make sure there's no lumps, because you don't want that in your steak. And then I pour that over the steak. So I add a little water to it, because like I said, it's flour or cornstarch, so it tends to get a little thick, and you don't want it too thick. That's your pepper steak in 5 minutes. Thanks for hanging out at the kitchen. It's the Rapping Chef. A lot more videos to come. Stay safe out there. One love and respect. Again, subscribe to my channel. Alright? Hey, remember, hit like, subscribe, and share. And do hit that bell icon to get notification when I post. It's the Rapping Chef.